Drag country from the left-hand side pane and drop it into the filters shelf. In the search box type Lebanon and press enter, select the checkbox for Lebanon, click OK. Drag indicator from the left-hand side pane and drop it into the filters shelf. Select the checkbox for rank. Drag year from the dimensions area under the data pane and place it on the columns shelf. Click on year and select discrete. Drag value from the measures area under the data pane and place it on the rows shelf. From the analysis menu, deselect the aggregate measures. On the marks card, click on the automatic, default, mark type which is bar, and select line. Above the column shelf, click on the fit icon and select fit width. Click on the size property, change the mark size from 25% to 35%. In the upper left corner of the worksheet view, double-click the title card that contains Sheet 1. In the Edit Title box, replace sheet name with Corruption Trend and change font size to 18. Click on Country in the Filters shelf and select Show Filter. Click on Country in the right pane, click on, and select Multiple Values, drop down. Select the checkbox for Belgium. Drag country from the left-hand side pane and drop it into the color property. Drag value from the left-hand side pane and drop it into the tooltip property. What was the corruption index for Lebanon in year 2022? 19.91. Move the mouse over the bars, what do you notice? How does Lebanon compare to Belgium?